Good morning. We're here at 1428 South Grand Street in Denver, Colorado. Today's date is October 10th, 2025 at approximately 9:13 a.m. We are located here at the main city tap connection, which is approximately 79 feet and 6 inches from this clean out on the left side of the house. We are performing a sewer scope after a sewer cleaning and after a sewer repair at the main city tap connection. The company performing this sewer scope is Daniel Sewer 77. Alrighty, let's get started. As you can see, we're here at the main city tap connection, and there's some of the root intrusion that we got rid of. We pushed out to the main city tap connection, but we have a good transition there. Right here where this SDR pipe is where we did the repair at the main city tap. And then here we have a transition from SDR pipe we have a good transition there. We have another transition here in the clay. That was a good transition. This line is in good condition, as you can see. No bellies or nothing of that sort. And here we have a transition from clay to PVC. Good transition there. That concludes our scope. Thanks for watching.